Truck owners across America are panicking right now because 2026 has become the year of the biggest pickup truck recalls in history. We're talking about over 2.3 million trucks pulled off the road for problems that can kill you while driving. Fire risks, brake failures, and engines that shut off on the highway without warning. I've been tracking every single recall this year, and what I've found will shock you. These aren't just minor safety issues. These are massive design flaws that manufacturers knew about and sold anyway. And if you own one of these trucks, you need to know which recalls affect your vehicle before it's too late. Ford, the serial offender. Ford leads this disaster with the highest number of recalls. We're talking about 4.4 million vehicles in a single recall campaign. That's not a typo. 4.4 million trucks. The F-150 brake crisis. It started with 113,000 F-150s in early 2024. Ford knew these trucks had faulty brake systems that could fail completely while driving, but they kept it quiet for months. Then it got worse, much worse. In 2025, Ford recalled 312,000 more vehicles. This time it included F-150s, Broncos, Rangers, Expeditions, and Lincoln Navigators. The problem? The electronic brake booster module fails while you're driving. Picture this. You're driving your family down the highway in your $65,000 F-150. Suddenly, you press the brake pedal and nothing happens. The power assist is gone. You're trying to stop a 6,000-pound truck with just your leg strength. That's exactly what happened to hundreds of Ford owners before this recall was announced. But Ford saved the worst for last. In 2026, they recalled 4.4 million vehicles for a trailer module software issue. This affects 2021 through 2026 F-150s, F-Series Super Duty trucks, Expeditions, Mavericks, and Rangers. Here's what happens. You're towing your boat or camper. The integrated trailer module loses communication with your truck. Your turn signals stop working. Your brake lights go dark. Other drivers can't see you're slowing down or turning. Worse yet, you lose trailer brake function completely. You're trying to stop your truck in a 5,000-pound trailer with just your truck's brakes. That's a recipe for disaster. Ford has issued 109 recalls affecting over 7.8 million vehicles since 2025. Think about that number. They've recalled more trucks in 2 years than some manufacturers build in a decade. What this means for Ford owners. If you own a 2021 or newer Ford truck, check your recall status immediately. Ford has been playing Russian roulette with your safety. These aren't minor issues you can ignore. These are life-threatening defects that happen without warning. Stellantis Ram, the most dramatic collapse. Ram's recall story is even more shocking. We're looking at a company in complete crisis mode, issuing recall after recall for catastrophic safety failures. In August 2024, Stellantis recalled 1,227,808 Ram 1500 pickups. The software was so bad that it disabled the electronic stability control system. When your truck starts to slide or lose control, the computer systems that could save your life simply shut down. This affected Ram 1500s from 2019 and 2021 through 2024. Stellantis estimated that 100% of these trucks had the faulty software, not some of them, all of them. The triple failure nightmare. December 2025 brought an even scarier recall. Stellantis recalled 52,565 heavy-duty Ram trucks for a software error that could cause 3 separate life-threatening failures at the same time. Your airbags might not deploy in a crash. Your seatbelts might not work properly. Your electronic stability control could fail when you need it most, all from one software glitch. This affects 2025 Ram 2500, 3500, 4500, and 5500 trucks. These are work trucks that people depend on to make a living. Then there's the dashboard recall. Over 72,000 Ram trucks from 2025 and 2026 have instrument clusters that go completely blank while you're driving. Imagine driving down the road and suddenly your speedometer disappears. No fuel gauge, no warning lights, no way to know if your engine is overheating or if you're running out of gas. This affects Ram 1500, 2,500, 3,500, 4,500, and 5,500 trucks with 12-inch display screens. What this means for Ram owners: Stellantis issued 72 recalls in 2024 alone, affecting nearly 5 million people. If you own a Ram truck from 2019 or newer, you're essentially driving a beta test vehicle. These recalls show a company that rushed products to market without proper testing. General Motors, the fix that fixed nothing. General Motors' recall scandal might be the most infuriating of all. They issued a massive recall, claimed to fix the problem, then the government had to investigate whether their fix actually worked. GM recalled nearly 600,000 SUVs and trucks with 6.2-liter V8 engines. This affects 2021 through 2024 Escalades, Silverado 1500s, Suburbans, Tahoes, Sierra 1500s, Yukons, and Yukon XLs. The connecting rod and crankshaft components have manufacturing defects. When they fail, your engine doesn't just break down, it destroys itself while you're driving. GM identified 12 crashes and 12 injuries potentially related to this defect. People were hurt because GM shipped engines with known defects. Here's where it gets really bad. After GM issued their recall and performed the fix, the NHTSA launched a formal investigation to find out if the repair actually worked. Think about that. The government had to investigate whether GM's official recall repair was real or just theater. Owners followed the rules. They took their trucks to dealerships. They got the official fix. They drove away thinking they were safe. Then the government opened an investigation asking whether that fix was legitimate. What this means for GM owners: if you own a 2021 through 2024 GM truck or SUV with a 6.2-liter V8, your engine could fail catastrophically at any time. Even if you got the recall repair, the government isn't sure it actually works. GM received 28,102 complaints about engine failure and 14,332 reports of total power loss while driving. Toyota, the fallen king. This might be the most heartbreaking story of all. Toyota built their reputation on reliability. For decades, Toyota meant dependable. That reputation is now in ruins. 3 recalls for the same engine. Toyota has recalled the Tundra 3 separate times for the same basic problem. We're talking about nearly 270,000 trucks total. It started in May 2024 with 102,000 vehicles, then 127,000 more in November 2025, then another 44,000 in May 2026, all for the same twin-turbo V6 engine, the metal debris disaster. Here's what Toyota did. They left machining debris inside the engines during manufacturing. Metal particles that act like sandpaper on your engine's internal parts. These metal pieces cause the crankshaft main bearing to fail. Your engine starts knocking, loses power, or stops running completely while you're driving. During the first recall, dealers replaced complete engine assemblies, but that didn't fix the problem. The replacement engines had the same manufacturing defects. Toyota can't even provide an accurate estimate of how many trucks are actually affected. Their own production process was so flawed that they don't know which engines are safe and which ones are time bombs. What this means for Toyota owners: if you own a 2022 through 2024 Tundra, your truck could seize up while you're driving on the highway. This isn't about reliability anymore. This is about safety. Thousands of Tundra owners are making $1,200 monthly payments on trucks that have been sitting at dealerships for months, waiting for replacement engines that may not even fix the problem. We're looking at the largest pickup truck recall crisis in automotive history. Over 5.8 million vehicles from 4 major manufacturers. Brake failures, engine seizures, software glitches that disable safety systems. These aren't isolated incidents. These are systematic failures by companies that prioritized profits over your safety. If you own any of these trucks, check your recall status immediately. Don't wait for a dealer to call you. Many owners never get notified. Your truck could have a defect that puts your family at risk. And as we've seen with GM, even the recalls might not actually fix the problems. This is the new reality for pickup truck owners in 2026. The question isn't whether your truck will be recalled. The question is whether the recall will actually make it safe to drive. Millions of pickup truck owners are discovering their vehicles have deadly defects. We're talking about the largest recalls in automotive history. Over 5.8 million trucks pulled off roads in just 2 years. Now that you've seen the massive recalls hitting every major truck manufacturer, you're probably wondering which trucks you can actually trust in 2026. The truth is, some of these recalled trucks are just the tip of the iceberg. There are 20 specific trucks that will drain your bank account even without a recall. So check out this video where I show you the 20 trucks to avoid in 2026 and how to spot the money pits before you sign the papers.